In this video, I'll show you how to use Jotform's Report Builder, a simple yet powerful tool for turning your form data into professional reports in just a few clicks. Start by opening jotform.com and logging into your account. If you're new, sign up, it only takes a moment. Once you're in your dashboard, head to My Forms and find the form whose data you'd like to turn into a report. Next to that form, click More, then select Open in Reports. This takes you into the Report Builder. Here, you'll first choose the type of report you want, whether it's a visual report for presentations or an Excel-style report for deeper analysis. Once you've selected your type, the Report Builder interface will open with a menu on the left where you can add elements like text boxes, images, charts, or data grids. To include form data, simply drag and drop the fields you want into your report. You can also customize fonts, colors, and layout to match your style or branding. When everything looks right, click Preview to review your final design. If you're happy with the result, you can decide whether to make your report public or keep it private. Then hit Publish, and Jotform will give you a shareable link to send directly to your team, clients, or anyone who needs access. And that's it. Your professional report is ready to share. Jotform's Report Builder makes it fast and effortless to transform raw form data into clear visual insights. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick Jotform tutorials.